Alright, hey guys, so here's the 52-inch white and brass Alaska ceiling fan, GE vent ceiling fan, manufactured by Sheng Yuan. This is installed in the master bedroom of our new house. Came with the house. It's basically exactly identical to the one that I filmed months ago, except that one had like an integrated 4 light kit. This one has the switch housing and this schoolhouse globe on it. Single schoolhouse fitter. Yeah, exactly the same though. White and brass, same thing. Go ahead and show you. They haven't assembled their bed yet, so this is a little bit lower, but I'll try and show you like the canopy, the stickers and stuff. Wouldn't be surprised if this one's from the same date too. Oh, this one's from June of '87. This one's from June of 1987, I guess. Same as these other two rooms. Light switch does the light kit. I just pulled this. Hopefully this won't get stuck again. Oh, of course this happens on video. So this is what happened last time. 1 minute. I just checked it before the video and it worked fine, and now I'm recording and I pull that chain and of course it does this. Fantastic. Hang on a minute. Can't make this stuff up. I hope this is filmed well. Of course this does it for the video. Why would it not do it for the video? I just had it. There we go. Okay, well now it's stuck on. You know what? That's fine. Of course that happened on the video. That's funny. I swear I checked it before I started recording and it worked just fine. I turned it on and off just fine, and then now that I record, this happens. It does it on video. Because of course it did. This is not putting in right. What is happening here? God. Okay, let me just fix this. Okay, note to self, don't ever touch that pull string ever again. Okay, with that little get freak show out of the way, let's go ahead and try and actually demonstrate this thing, shall we? Of course that happens while I'm recording. Works. I pulled it once, works just fine, and then I record, and then I go to pull it, and it gets stuck. Twice while I was recording. Ain't that how funny how that works? It's hilarious. Slight low breeze. Of course, I have it in forward for the demonstration. All of these. Here's high. You spin down. And these came with, these came from a lighting showroom here in Saskatoon called Fandango. Which was like my favorite lighting showroom in the entire city. The old owner actually offered me a job, and then I came back and it switched owners, so I don't offered me a job there. And I was like, I'll keep it in mind. I don't think I'm ready to work yet, though. Yeah, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah, this one will probably get replaced with another, probably a newer fan. Oh, I kind of stopped it. It was close to stopping anyway. But when this room gets repainted and redone and stuff, but I'll probably pick it out, but it'll be probably I'll pick it out, but I think I'll try and pick out a good one, but it's probably gonna be some modern thing, which will probably be a lot worse. These two will probably get replaced with some modern things from Home Depot or something, but which will obviously be a lot worse than these ones because these are good quality modern vintage fans. Well, they're not that old. They're only from about, well, all from 97. But yeah, at least this one will be getting replaced with a decent kind of decent quality Hampton Bay from the early 2000s. Actual good quality ceiling San Marino. Yeah, those two both work just fine. It's just that one, the light train gets stuck. So again, note to self: don't touch that chain ever again, because clearly that switch is messed up. But I guess it can be like that because you're not going to be touching the light chain because the fan's hot wired. You're only going to be touching the fan chains. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. There's all the fans in the house. More to come. Bye.